Hello from Germany with my little repair and maintenance videos. Today we need to repair the starting rope. So first take out the screws. Damn, the idiots mount it with rivets. So I had to bore them out. Okay, so now now you have to look in which direction you have to span the spring for the starter rope. Yes, this is the right way. Cut new rope, a bit longer than the old one. Give fire on the end. So now search this hole, and now here is the rope. Perfect. Now remounting everything. Little test. Okay, this is right. New rivets. Okay, ready for the first start now. It works again.